Welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. My name is Dee and I'm so glad that you joined me today. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Today is Saturday, the 30th of November. Can you believe that November is over already? And tomorrow will be the 1st of December? This year just flew by so fast. If you took advantage of the Black Friday sales, I hope you got whatever you were looking for and you didn't have to fight too many crowds. This is probably going to be a short video today. I had some surgery earlier this week. I ended up missing out on Thanksgiving, but that's okay. I got everything taken care of that I needed to be taken care of, and I'll have Thanksgiving later this week. So today, we're going to be looking at the Red Covered Bridge, which is licensed art by Chuck Pinson, and this is from the Diamond Art Club. So let's get started. The Diamond Art Club is more of a premium company when it comes to their canvases. Let me get this opened for you. The first thing I want to mention is that this is a round drill project. They also have squares. This particular one is a round. And this comes in a beautiful box. Let me set this aside. And it comes with everything you need. Comes with a little packet. Let me open this up for you. And in this packet, you will find a coupon for 20% off if you for future purchases. You find your step-by-step instructions if you're new to diamond painting. And this has a little record book so you could put down your start date and your finish date. And it has stickers so you can kit up. I enjoy that. These stickers came in a lot better shape. The last Diamond Art Club painting I had, the stickers were pretty messed up. I had to flatten them out. Of course, it comes with your toolkit. And in this toolkit you get a tray with a cover and a stopper, which is always nice to have. You have your baggies, if you work out of baggies, and your packets of glue, of wax. And this is one of their newer pens. So this is one of the newer kits that Diamond Art Club is offering. So let me put this away, and we'll go ahead and look at the canvas itself, take a peek at the drills, and then I'm probably going to cut this short because, as I mentioned, I am recovering from surgery. I just wanted to get a quick video out today. So let's go ahead and look at the canvas. The actual canvas itself from the premium companies is different than the ones you get from like Temu or Amazon. They're just so soft and pliable. And they're just, I wish there was a way that I could let you feel it through a video. I wanted to show this one today. It is called Red Covered Bridge. It's more of an autumn themed canvas, and since tomorrow is the 1st of December, I wanted to get this out there. before winter is fully upon us. Of course, there's a lot of people in the country right now that are having some really bad weather, so winter's already upon them. This has 45 different drills, so there's going to be a lot of detail in there. This is a 17-inch by 13-inch project. So it's a good medium-sized project. I personally wouldn't like to do anything larger than this. You see you have the trees and the autumn colors and the beautiful covered bridge. Covered bridges are just so pretty. I enjoy them. We have a few in my area. And I don't think there's anybody that doesn't enjoy a nice covered bridge. They're so pretty. So this is a mixture of numbers and symbols and letters. So it's a little bit of a hodgepodge of symbols for where you're going to put the drills. This is just, I just wish you could feel it. It's just so soft. And there's their Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And like I like to say here on Diamond Painting with Dee, let's sparkle together. And you could certainly do that with this painting. So let's take a look at the drills. It looks like there's a lot of, well, there's 42 colors, as I mentioned. So there are going to be a lot of drills here, but looks like they're all the fall colors. You got some greens and reds, and grays, some other shades of green. If you get more deeper in there, you got some purples and yellows, whites, some other shades of purple. That looks like you have some just iridescents, which are always pretty the way they sparkle. I like that there's so many different shades of purple. Those are for the flowers that were in the painting. Purple is my favorite color. So, a lot of the reds. This is going to be a very pretty painting. I really tried to pick Diamond Art to show you that that I think it's going to come out nice. Sometimes I make orders, and once the paintings arrive, I'm like, that really wasn't what I was looking for. But I try to make sure that when they come in and to show you guys the nicest one. So I'll go ahead and put a link for this down below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, be sure to click that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I'm going to try to post more videos as I'm home for this month recovering from my surgery. And of course, it's going to depend on how I feel. I wanted to get one out today because it's been a week since I've put one out before. Not sure when the next one will be, but just stay tuned. And go ahead and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.